From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's Cash Close. And the name of this video, the S&P Plays Catch Up with Crude. The high of the day came in at 2060 even early in the morning. The low came in at 2049 even mid-morning. And last, we're 2053.30. We're down 13 handles. Total volume, we've got 1.4 million minis traded, with 250,000 of that coming from Globex and 3,500 big S&Ps traded in the pit. MOC, the MIM was showing small to sell, and the actual came out buy 100 to buy 110 million. Tomorrow we've got the motor vehicle sales. We've got Stanley Fisher from the Fed speaking. We've got the Gallup US ECI number. We've got the Redbook number, construction spending, and Lael Brainard speaking from the Fed. Now look, all the markets were moving today. The EC was trading 124.80-ish. Gold had some type of super, almost $100 trading range. The low came in at 1,141.70. The high came in at 1220.40 late in the day, or 1220.40, yeah, late in the day. And right now it's trading 1212 even. It's down about $7. Unbelievable. And over in the S&Ps, the bonds were trading around 142, and the S&Ps are going down. They're a little bit lower from where we started this video. Now, am I surprised? No, I'm not surprised at all. You know, at some point, we all knew that crude was going to have to, or the S&P was going to have to play catch up with the S&P, and that's basically what we saw today. And the other part about it is, I'm not sure if the S&P, it's a combination of both things. Extremely overbought and giant liquidation and energy stocks or in the energy sector. Now, as far as the rest of the week is concerned, I think there's probably more potential on the downside. We don't get a lot of, we've gotten 3-day down moves. We don't get a lot of 4-day down moves. And I'm thinking as we go closer into the end of the week and the unemployment report, we'll start to firm up and bounce a little bit. You know, and last but not least, right now, the hottest thing on the tape right now is the algos talking about the depressed price of crude. If you go back into the middle of October, it was Ebola, and then all of a sudden that was completely taken out, and the algo started going the other way. It's my guess that that's going to happen in crude oil. I don't know if that's today, tomorrow, but I think crude was up almost 8 or 10% today, and my feeling is that it's gotten way too stretched out on the downside. That said, we'll leave it like that, and we'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.